have very thin patience. Very thin. Academics मेरे से होती नहीं है. Go touch some grass, people. Shit. He smells good. कहीं जाके और ही अपना दिखाओ.
I walk, not like I run out of breath after 2 steps.
My day is ruined. My day is. Okay, my phone is falling. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment. This is my 4th attempt at trying to record because I feel like my phone has a personal vendetta against me because every time that I try to record, I receive a phone call. I swear to God, So it is very evident that my phone does not like me because I did get another call and that lasted a while because it was my bestie. But anyway, I'm fresh out of the shower, and that shower is one of the reasons why I'm even vlogging today because I put up this story on my Instagram a while back saying that, oh, you know what, I might start a YouTube channel, so like I'm gonna do like this Q&A thingy, so just drop questions and I'll try to answer as many of them as possible. But like every time I did not follow through because that's just I just got out of bed and today was supposed to be like a very chill low-key day up until I took that shower, that revolutionary of a shower. Like I had this epiphany, right? So I was like, चलो आज तो शुरू करते हैं, आज तो शुरू करते हैं. My friends have been hovering over my head. They're like, Harshita, you should start vlogging because you're like so funny and so well spoken and so talented and you're just so fun to be around. They did say that. I'm not making it up, all right. I'm not that narcissistic, but I am maybe a little, but you know what I mean. But then I'm just lazy. I'm really lazy. So, but then this shower is like a renaissance for me. So like, and I was like, you know what? I should do it. I should. Why would I deprive the world why deprive the world from the gift of my awesomeness? Well, I like to believe I'm funny, right? You may disagree, but I believe I'm funny, and that is all that matters. Trust me, that is all that matters. What you think about yourself is all that matters. And best believe, I think I am funny, okay? So the first video I thought should be really crisp and nice because from a personal point of view, I have very thin patience. Very thin, right? It is thinner than my will to live. I'm kidding. Or am I? I'm kidding. I know I wouldn't watch somebody just blabbering on for so long if it was not interesting. Like, I wouldn't watch a boring person. So keeping that in mind, I thought my first video, I don't just want to sit and talk because as fun as I claim myself to be, I do realize how boring that can get. So with this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm just like gonna go about my day, which is not very eventful, but my day doesn't consist of much. I wake up in the morning, घर पे 2-3 गालियाँ खा लेती हूँ, उसके बाद पढ़ती वढ़ती तो मैं हूँ नहीं. FYI, I have my pre-boards going on. Who could tell, right? So anyway, I'm like failing what 2 subject में तो आराम से I'm failing, like एकदम आराम से. But then, a single sheet of paper can't decide my future, It can decide how my parents look at me. Well, I'm already a disappointment. See, this is my analogy, right? इतना disappoint कर दो parents को, इतना disappoint कर दो कि expectations, I see my friends, right, struggling. They come up to me and they're like, oh, I didn't score too well and my parents are upset. You know what? My parents don't even care anymore.
Alcohol is cool, but have you ever had someone care about you? Me neither. Pass the bottle.
I know, as depressing as that sounds, it's also very liberating. Like, think about it. You've already disappointed them to a point. Like, you've reached the saturation level. You cannot disappoint them more. What will they even expect of you? You see where I'm coming from? So do that. That's the nirvana stage I've reached with my parents. So it's just they don't care anymore. Regardless, so I was saying what my day consists of. I wake up, 2-3 गालियाँ खा लेती हूँ, उसके बाद पढ़ाई तो मैं करती हूँ नहीं, दोस्तों के साथ मैं घूमने निकल जाती हूँ, आवारागर्दी करने, आके मैं सो जाती हूँ. But in my defense, my friends are really nice. गिन चुन के मेरे 4 दोस्त है, 4 भी ज्यादा बोल दिए मैंने, 4 कूल लगने के लिए 4 बोल दिए मैंने, 4 भी नहीं. you get the point. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna walk you through my day so you know what it's like while answering questions. So without a further ado, let's start. Also, I do realize I tend to like blabber a lot, like yappity 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 yap, but deal with it. You signed up for this. So I love this one. Where do you rate yourself on intellectual traits? Well, that depends on how you classify intellect, right? As for me, an intellect would be someone who's emotionally intelligent, you know. So there's like academic intellect, then there's emotional. So I think I would classify, because academics मेरे से होती नहीं है. I think I would give myself a solid 8.5 out of 10, because 8.5 because there's always room for improvement. I believe I have a lot more learning and growing to do, but I think I'm pretty intellectual, you know. So I think it's sort of like very strong and very philosophical. So I'm gonna answer like a few simple ones. So one says, how old are you? Well, I'm 18. I'm an adult. I'm a full-grown adult man, but I am turning 19 very soon. Like in a couple of months, actually. I'm turning 19 this February. A few people are just disgusting. Go touch some grass, people. Please just go touch some grass. This only that I'm a girl. I'll spray some holy water on you. There you go. So I am actually in the process of getting ready. I'm about to go meet up with this friend of mine at a cafe. But since I've given my word that I will vlog throughout the day, I'm staying true to my words, because you know, I'm a woman of my words. So there's this one question that asks what my type in men is. As far as my beliefs, I barely think there are any men in this generation. No offense, and if you're getting offended, well, check yourself. There's a reason you're getting offended, okay?
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
As far as my type goes, I love me a tall, well-spoken, well-dressed, and good-smelling man. And a lot of emphasis on the good-smelling. Because, you know those ads, लड़का परफ्यूम लगाता है and लड़कियाँ आके एकदम चिपक जाती है. Yeah, well, they were referring to me. I'm one of those girls. You smell good and मैं चिपक जाऊंगी तुमसे. Well, of course, it's one of the many factors that a guy needs to have. But I think this is the most important one. I don't know, there have been times I have solely liked a guy because he smelled good. Okay, story time. So there was this guy once who liked me for like about 3 months and I was never quite into him up until I met him at my school carnival. He'd come. And yeah, we were just hanging around and we were just like talking and everything. And right before he left, I remember he gave me a hug. And when he hugged me, I was like, shit, he smells good. Instant attraction. Like, best believe I was never into him before that. It was just not all that about him, right? And then I smelled him and I was like, I am weak in the knees now. So yeah, a lot of emphasis on the smelling good, but these are like physical attributes, right? I am a sucker for tall men. I don't know, it is just what it is, okay? And I've noticed one thing. It's always the short ones that have such good personalities, but you just can't be with them because they're not tall. Okay, I'm coming off as very shallow right now, but it's just a preference. It's just a preference, right? Like, you might not be into girls who are like me. You know what I mean? Like, so no offense to anybody, but like, yeah, short guys are just not my cup of tea. But if you're talking about like the non-physical attributes, like the personality and everything, I love a funny guy. Like these nonchalant men, they're just not for me, yaar. Tum kahin jaake aur hi apna dikhao ki I'm not gonna text her first. No daddy issues on this end, so I'm not gonna like that shit, okay? Just thing is, I only expect what I bring to the table, right? I do not expect a lot, except for the tall part. The height of any Indian average woman, okay? I'm 5'2", and also I'm like only 18. I'm gonna grow more, okay? Yeah, that's about it.
So, like I mentioned before, I am on my way to go meet up with a friend, and until driver uncle arrives, I have a little time to chat. Right now, I need to go.
I am on my way to my friend's house because driver uncle wouldn't come all the way in. उन्होंने मेरे को रोड पे छोड़ दिया and he said that I can't go inside the gully because then it'll be hard to take the gadi out and your dad needs the gadi. I was like, fine, I'll walk. Not like I run out of breath after 2 steps. But okay. You wanna say hi?
And your friend Steve, do Steve, do leave. What's the deal?
So I just saw a couple. Okay, while I was climbing upstairs, I saw this couple
Upstairs?
मतलब while I was downstairs. You get the point. हाँ, I saw this couple. Tuition से आ रहा था, bag पकड़ा, and the girl, she was like laughing at his jokes like he's the funniest person in life, and just day ruined. Day ruined. No, ruined. You hypocritical bitch. You have a boyfriend. But yeah, my day is ruined. My day is my eyeliner is eyelinering. The way it should eyeliner. Yeah, thanks to Betty Pia. Okay, now I want to get back to answering questions. I'm cringing myself out. It's okay, I got this. So let's get back to answering questions now, shall we? So one question that I'm actually asked a lot on my Instagram, which is that what is the story behind my username? Now, मैं जितना ज्ञान झाड़ती हूँ, मैं जितना ज्ञान देती हूँ, a person would assume that the meaning behind my username is also something, it must be very philosophical and very deep. Okay, my phone is falling. We are back. So, it is actually not that deep at all. There's this song by Doja Cat. The song, because of which she actually blew up. The song was like, bitch, I'm a cow, bitch, I'm a cow. I don't say meow, I go boo. Sorry? We don't judge, Vidipia, we don't judge. It's okay, we judge.
Do we?
Do we not? Do we not though?
We do, but I think that's totally fine.
Back to what I was saying, I remember when I was about 13, I listened to the song for the first time. And I don't know what got into me, and I just changed my username, changed it to bitch I'm a cow. And then my mom follows me on Instagram and everything, and then she saw the username and she's like, you know what, bitch is not too appropriate, maybe change it to something else. So I just I took the bitch part out and I'm a cow, and it actually has no logic and no meaning behind it whatsoever. I was 13 when I kept it, and I'm about to turn 19 and it's been the same. Yeah. Why would you say that? You're not supposed to say that. That's because somebody is not conventionally pretty. समझने क्यों गंदा है देखने. Will you let me? I put my recording on halt and everything because we're eating and I'm out with my friends, so obviously, I'm not that glued to my phone and everything. But I had to record this because you know how when two girls catch up, I'm like, oh, so what's the tea? What's going on? Because it's been a while, right, since we last met. How long though? Like a month? More than a month. So I'm like, okay, so what's the tea? To which this was her response.
I said, you want the real tea? Wait for a second.
Sorry, ladies don't chew and talk. बाल को बोल रही हूँ मैं.
She was saying that she wants some tea. So the tea is that I told her every morning when I go to the gym, yesterday's morning, so this auntie came up and she was apparently giving gossip to her friend. কালকে রাতে জানিস কি হয়েছে? হ্যাঁ কি হয়েছে? কালকে রাতে না ইলিশ মাছের ভাপা খেয়েছিলাম. খেতে খুবই টেস্টি ছিল. কিন্তু ইলিশ মাছের ভাপা খাওয়ার পরে তো দাদা যা পেদেছে ঘরে থাকাই যাচ্ছে না. And I was like, who the fuck says that? In a gym.
नहीं, my point is हम क्या कर रहे हैं? This is the real gossip. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? हम क्या टी दे रहे हैं? Oh, I ghosted him. I went on a date. ये हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ये हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Embarrassing your husband like that. Imagine the poor guy. He does not even know. Sorry, uncle, whoever you are, but please stop farting after eating Ilish Machar Bhapa. Because your wife clearly does not like it. Hey, what was I supposed to say?
Hi guys.
No, okay, after hanging out with one friend, I'm with another, and we are going to his place to do I don't know what. भाई पता मुझे actually बहुत cringe लग रहा है ये सब करने में. I told you ना when you.
Yeah, break barrier.
रुको. When you break free from all these restraints and all these things that are holding you back.
Restraints.
Yes, that is when you attain to happiness in life. So I could just keep the phone down and save myself the embarrassment and not feel cringe, right? But I have to come out of my comfort zone.
It's more like if you have a proper stool formation and if you can excrete properly, then you'll have a good day. That's what happens.
So that is about all the vlogging I could get in today.
done, I messed around. I'm having fun, don't put me down.
Crazy.
I'll never let you sweep me off my feet.
I swear.
I won't let you in again. The messages I've tried to send.
करूँ उसको call?
This time, maybe I'll keep.
My stomach. Okay, I'm good.
ठीक है. See you guys next time. Bye bye.
Because vlogging is not easy. It is exhausting. Actually, vlogging is not. I had a sort of exhausting day, to put it precisely. But yeah, that is about it. Actually, I have a bunch of more questions that I would like to answer, but then I feel like the video is getting too long, and I promised myself that I wouldn't let it because then it gets boring, and I don't want you to think I'm boring. So that's about it for my day. I have to do all the corny stuff like please subscribe to my channel, please like, share, comment. Like, you don't have to if you don't want to. I mean, no pressure. नहीं पसंद है तो भाई मत करो, कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो है नहीं. You might not like what you're seeing, and if you've not liked it so far, what are you still doing here? If you do like what you're seeing, join in for the ride. I'm gonna go hit the hay now. बहुत नींद आ रही है. I know I'm saying this, but I'm not gonna sleep for like the next 3 hours. I'm gonna be on my phone. But good night. Bye.